Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore various health and nutrition topics. Today, we're answering a popular question. Can smoothies really help with weight loss? Smoothies have been gaining popularity as a potential weight loss aid. But, is it really true? Well, let's dive into the details to find out. Benefits of drinking a smoothie. First, let's talk about the benefits of smoothies. Smoothies made with wholesome ingredients, such as fruits and vegetables, provide essential nutrients and fiber, making you feel fuller for longer periods. As a result, they can help you reduce your overall calorie intake, leading to weight loss. Keep in mind your ingredients. One of the key factors to keep in mind is the ingredients used in your smoothie. If your smoothie is loaded with sugary and high-calorie ingredients, it might actually do more harm than good. Be mindful of the ingredients you choose and opt for natural, whole foods like berries, spinach, and Greek yogurt. Great for meal replacement. Another benefit of smoothies is that they can be a great replacement for a meal. Drinking a smoothie instead of a high-calorie meal can lead to fewer calories consumed, and over time, can lead to weight loss. Just remember, not all smoothies are created equal, so it's essential to pay attention to the ingredients. While smoothies can help with weight loss, they should not be the sole focus of your weight loss journey. They work best when consumed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle that includes regular exercise and adequate sleep. Timing of your smoothie intake can also affect its weight loss benefits. Drinking smoothies as part of your breakfast can help kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. But, it's important to consume them in moderation, as overconsumption can lead to weight gain. The bottom line is that smoothies can help with weight loss when consumed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. They can provide essential nutrients, fiber, and act as a meal replacement. However, they should not be solely relied on as a weight loss solution. To get the most out of your smoothies, it's essential to use high-quality ingredients and avoid added sugars and artificial ingredients. And, of course, it's important to combine smoothies with a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, plenty of water, and adequate sleep. If you're looking for a high-protein smoothie recipe that can help you with weight loss, try this one. In a blender, combine a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a frozen banana, a cup of frozen mixed berries, a tablespoon of almond butter, a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Blend until smooth and enjoy. This smoothie is not only delicious but also provides a good dose of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which can help you feel full for longer and support weight loss. So, there you have it. Smoothies can be a helpful tool for weight loss when consumed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. However, they should not be solely relied upon, and it's essential to pay attention to the ingredients and portion sizes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutrition tips and insights.